Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. All right, so here's what we got, right? So you got a lot of things happening coming up here for Black Friday. This next week is going to be action-packed, right? What I want you to do is make sure you tune in to my Black Friday deal room. So go to blackfridaydealroom.com, blackfridaydealroom.com. I'm going to have massive deals in there. I have about 8 founders that have confirmed they're going to come. Founders going to speak. They're going to let you know. And I have about 3 or 4 deals that you're not going to see anywhere else, right? So make sure you register for that. It's a 5-day event. So every single day, I'm going to have a new speaker, a new founder come in and speak every day afternoon. And that afternoon, I'm going to have a whiteboard session using some of those tools and talking about some different strategies going into the new year. So if we're going to deploy these tools, because we know it's getting hard out here on these LTD streets, we're going to have to be very conscientious of the things that we purchase. Now, there's gonna be a ton of Black Friday deals coming at you. Right now, I'm trying to get back. I was on vacation trying to get back. I said, I got to get in front of the people, got to let them know what's happening. So again, Black Friday deal room. I have one every year. This is our second year. The last one went across. It was very, very good. And I always have, and some of the founders come to me, they give me some deals. They say, hey, we want you to take this to your audience. So I will have some deals in there. And again, so that's going to be every single day this week at 12 p.m. Pacific, and then 4 p.m. Pacific for the whiteboard sessions. And it's going to be, you have to register. So if you do the 5-day, the best deal is to do the 5-day. You come all 5 days, and you're going to get a copy of the actual deal. You're going to get a recorded copy as well. Hey, you guys have been great. Make sure you tune in. Link is below in the description.